Làm thế nào chúng ta có thể import Excel datasheet to QuickBooks Pro 2017? The answer is you cannot. You cannot import Excel data such as bank statement, credit card statement, income and expense statement, etc. from Excel worksheet to QuickBooks Pro 2017, except you have a two version. Number one, enterprise version and accounting version. If you have these two versions, then you can do that. If not, you got to use another third party, which is www.transactionproimporter.com. www.transactionproimporter.com. Then with this software, then you can import the all the transaction into the QuickBooks Pro. Okay, even you use uh, file, utility, and import Excel. Okay, I'll show you. Even you can do like that, but it still doesn't work. Okay, look. You go to the file right here, file, and then utility, go to the import, go to Excel right here. Even you do that, then QuickBooks uh, convince you go somewhere else, but finally you cannot do it. So in other words, you got to do manual. Okay. See, QuickBooks give you the three options. Either go to the customer, the vendor, the product. Uh, Again, I try to go to advanced import. Okay, look, and then even we try to mapping import, it doesn't work. Okay, so bottom line is we got to do manual. Thank you.